Welcome back, dear students. Today we will discuss new topic of the chapter number 19, and the name of the topic is Human Development Index. First of all, we will discuss the meaning of Human Development Index. The Human Development Index definition states that it is an indicative tool that uses various statistical data to represent multiple factors pertaining to the livelihood of peoples in the world. It takes into consideration several aspects such as life expectancy, education of children, and many others. It is useful in measuring the overall development of a nation in both social and economic aspects. The measurement of the level of human development is Human Development Index. This concept was propounded by Dr. Amartya Sen. The UNDP undertakes the measurement of level of human development, and the findings are published in the Human Development Report since 1990. Until 2009, the UNDP applied the following three indicators. In that, first is average age oblique health. To determine health and longevity of life, presumed expectancy of life implies how long the newborn infant will live from the time of birth. The upper and lower limits have been set up at 83.6 years and 20 years. Also, average age is the age which is a particular person belonging to a particular age is expected to live. Life expectancy at birth in India, males 67.34 years and females 69.64 years. Next dimension of Human Development Index is knowledge. Knowledge consists of two criteria. First, mean year of schooling is the number of years a person spends till the age of 25 years for education. The upper and lower limit have been set as 13.3 years and 0 years. Expected years of schooling means that a child starts schooling at the age of 5. The upper and lower limits have been set at 18 years and 0 years. Accordingly, the average years of schooling is 11.7 years. Next dimension of Human Development Index is living standard oblique per capita income. This is determined by gross national income and per capita income. The per capita income is calculated on the basis of US dollars, known as purchasing power parity. Dear students, please note that for calculating Human Development Index, highest and lowest value of every criteria is decided. Every index is calculated according to formula. On the basis of it, Human Development Index is obtained. Its rate is between 0 to 1 for any country. Human Development Index depicts the difference that has to be covered to reach maximum 1. The difference is useful in comparing human development between various nations. On that basis, it could be known that country is developing in which direction, how much back and forth it is in comparison to other countries. Dear students, just go through the video and revise the topic. In our next video, we will discuss the Human Development Report. Thank you.